Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you doing?
I'm
I'm good. I'm good.
I'm good.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, before our class, I asked someone to lead us in the pray. Maybe Kiki let us in the pray.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Okay, everybody, okay, class, friend. Before starting, let's pray together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much, Kiki. Are you ready for the class?
Yes, I'm ready.
Yes, ma'am.
ready, ma'am.
Okay. Hi, Joko. You look very handsome with your new uniform.
Oh, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, thank you. I'm so cute, right?
Ruth,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
also so beautiful with your glasses.
Oh, thank you.
Why do you must wear uniform when you go to school?
Because it must.
Okay, because it the rules. Okay, because it the must. Okay, what thing the driver must have?
Driver, I think they will use a uniform too, ma'am.
Oh,
Seragam.
uniform. Oh,
Yeah.
seragam. Okay, driving license. Okay, everybody, thank you very much. For today, we will learn about state rules and obligation. What do you translate obligation in Indonesia? Obligation in Indonesia, please.
Larangan, ma'am.
Oh, larangan. Okay, thank you very much, Astri. Okay. To make it clear, I will present the material on PPT on your screen. Wait a while, guys. I'm so sorry. There is problem with my device.
It's okay, ma'am.
I'm so sorry. Something wrong with my device.
It's okay,
Maaf,
ma'am.
Bapak Ibu. I'm so sorry.
Sudah kelihatan tadi, Bu. Sudah kelihatan. Tadi sudah kelihatan.
Klik yang itu, ya klik yang itu. Betul. Yang pinggir. Yang PPT.
PPT, ma'am.
Nah, itu.
Nah, itu ada.
Ya.
Ya, udah.
Mantap.
Sudah kelihatan?
Yes, ma'am.
Ya, hilang lagi, Bu.
Aduh.
Lihat apa?
Nah, hilang lagi. Sip.
Nah, udah.
Sudah?
Sudah, ma'am.
Okay. I try to tell a little bit about our material today. It is about state rules and obligation. For the first one, we will now about the definition of state rules on obligation. State rules and obligation means an expression that asks someone must do something or follow the instruction. The second one that we must know is the social function of state rules and definition. It is we use to demand someone to follow the rules or instruction that given. Jadi manfaat dari menyatakan keharusan adalah meminta seseorang untuk melakukan sesuatu berdasarkan aturan atau instruksi yang diberikan. Yang berikut, the next that we must know is the language feature. There are some modals or phrases that we use to express. They are, for the first one, must. Maybe someone translate must into Indonesia?
Harus, ma'am.
Harus. Okay, the second one if have to. The next, need to. The next, it is necessary. And the last one is, it is obligatory that. All of the modals or phrases here, we translate into harus. Do you catch my point?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, Joko once again. What do you translate have to into Indonesia?
Harus, ma'am.
Harus. Maybe someone here make an example. Saya harus pergi ke sekolah. What you say into English?
I have to go
To school.
to school.
Okay. Okay, correct. That's right. I must go to school or I have to go to school.
Hooray.
Thank you very much for your answer. Okay, now we look one by one the models or the verb that we use in this material. For the first one, must. Must is model in English. It functions to express an obligation. Must in use to state an obligation from the speaker. For example, here, I must talk my mother before I leave. The second one, you must leave now. From this example, we know that the obligation here from the speaker. Jadi dari contoh yang saya berikan di sini, keharusan ini, ungkapan keharusan ini datangnya dari si pembicara. Next, we look the negative form. Must also, we also use must in negative form. For example here, visitor must not eat and drink inside the museum. What the meaning of eat and drink in Indonesia, please?
Makan dan minum, ma'am.
Makan dan minum. So in this sentence, we translate, pengunjung tidak diharuskan untuk makan dan minum di dalam museum. Okay. For the next, we try to look at the have to. Okay, the second model here that we use to state rules and obligation is have to. If must come by the speaker, have to out of the speaker because of the situation or the rules. Like the example that I have give you at the first time. You must wear the uniform when you go to school. It is the rules. Or based on the situation, I say that Ute must wear glasses. This is because the situation, because maybe something wrong with Ute eyes maybe. Okay. Di dalam have to tidak ada penggunaan negatif like do not have to or don't have to. Okay, the example here, I don't have to bring food. The speaker does not need to bring food, but she can bring it if she wants. So, there is no obligation in the sentence, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, for the next, we look at need to. Need to is other model to state the obligation. Need to express that something is important to do. For example here, we need to buy groceries. Kita harus membeli bahan makanan. Or the other example, he needs to practice. He need to practice more often. Dia harus berlatih sesering mungkin. Or the last one here that I give, I need to clean my room. The next, we try to look at the it is necessary that. Yeah. The pattern here is it is necessary that plus subject plus object. And we look at the example here. It is necessary that we bring umbrella. It is raining outside. Kita harus membawa payung di luar hujan. Or the other example, it's necessary that she buys the ticket now before it's sold out. Dia harus membeli tiketnya sekarang sebelum tiketnya habis. And the last one that I given here, it is necessary that I see a doctor now. I'm not feeling well. Saya harus pergi ke dokter sekarang. Saya merasa tidak enak badan. And the last one here it is obligatory that. Yeah, the pattern, it is obligatory that plus subject plus verb. It is usually we find on the, we always say lalu lintas, atau rambu-rambu lalu lintas. The first one, it is obligatory that we should stop at red light. Or it is obligatory that we wear helm when riding bicycle or motorcycle. And the last one that I give here, it is obligatory that all driver have driving license. Pengemudi wajib memiliki SIM. Okay, everybody, I want to ask you again. What modals or what words or phrases that we use in state rules and obligation? Maybe someone say what modals or phrases that we use in state rules and obligation.
Nggak tahu, Mam.
Aulia? Okay, I want to say again. If you want to say rules and obligation, jika kita ingin mengatakan keharusan atau kewajiban, modal yang kita gunakan adalah yang pertama,
Mas.
Mas.
must. Iya, oke.
Have,
Next,
have to.
Have to.
have to.
Have to.
Oke, next words.
Need to. Need to.
Okay, need to. Now, okay, need to. Now the phrases. Okay, need to. Next, the phrases. What phrases that we use in this material? It is necessary that. Okay, once again, please. It is necessary that.
It
is
necessary.
Okay. And the last phrases that we use is.
It is obligatory that.
Okay, it is obligatory that. All phrases or words here, how we translate into Indonesia?
Harus.
Harus.
Harus. Okay, that's right. Okay.
Waktunya hampir mau pulang, Bu. Sebentar lagi.
Oke. Waktunya mau selesai. Saya akan mengirimkan latihannya pada WA grup kita agar dikerjakan dan dikumpulkan kembali. Jangan lupa ya.
Baik, ma'am.
Oke, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you very much for joining in this class. I'm very happy. See
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Goodbye, ma'am.
Okay, goodbye.
Bye.
Thank you very much. Okay, keep healthy.